So guys, welcome to the live stream as I started now. Okay, let's start the live stream after like 1 or 2 minutes. And if you are not listening the voice completely, I hope you are hear my voice very carefully now. If you feel a little bit uncomfortable, then you can write in the comment chat like down the volume, so I will reduce it. Guys, one second, let's wait for a moment. Okay, guys, so the wait is over finally, and we came here to make the trades. Let's see like how much profit I will get today, or you are earning with me or not. It depends on your choice. So the first trade is going to be profit or loss. It depends on the choice and the time frame. So let's start from the beginning. I'm using here now 300 drum, and the time frame I can use here for the 2 minutes because I really like the 2 minutes. Mostly times I got the profit just because of the 2 minutes. So let me zoom the Japanese candlesticks and the momentum line. So guys, first of all, you have to uh, acknowledge about these. These like candle forms are like Japanese candlesticks, and before this you can see these are the two lines, blue and yellow. These are momentum lines. So let's start on the Asia Composite Index. I'm using the assessed. Which assessed? Asia Composite assessed. And we can also say like Asia Composite Index. So guys, let's make hurry up, and first trade is going to be 2 minute. I make the upward. Why I make the upward? You have to notice about it. You have to uh, ask this question in the comment chat like why I make up, why I didn't make downside, because it's still here, it's moving down. So guys, it's not like that. I check the momentum lines. As you can see here, these are the momentum lines. The blue one is trying to move in the upward, but here the yellow one is a little bit trying to downward, but it still have the chances because we have the time frame. You can see 1 minute 30 seconds. You still have. It can reaches to the upward in the final decision, or it can come back again to the downside. So let's wait for the 1 minute 20 seconds. Then we will discuss and we will notice about it where it will move. Well, it's completely moving downside, so our first trade is going to be lost. Well, no need to worry about it. Guys, you can write in the comment chat like how much percentage you got profit in your trading time. Like you also make the trades. That's why you are here. You are watching my live stream because you also want to earn. Well, everyone want to earn, only earn. Nobody want to lose anything. So here are like some simple strategies by which we can recover. We can like make the profits. So you have to wait for 1 hour to look the stream here completely. Okay, guys. So look here. Now it's completely like moving just only downward and it's not moving to the upside. So I'm just waiting for some minutes and then I will continue to make again in the upward direction after like 1 or 2 minutes. Well guys, here it's still moving to the downside, right? Until it will not change the direction, we can check the another further Asia Composite Index, Crypto Composite and Europe Gold. These all are assessed. Crypto is moving irregularly and Europe is also trying to move in the upward, but it still have the risk chance. So we can wait. We can avoid this for a moment and wait for the perfect time. As you can see here, it's completely moving to the upside, right? It's visible. It gradually moved to the upward, but here it can move again to the downside. Anything can happen here. Let's check the Asia Composite Index again. It's still trying to move to the downside. We make the 300 and I'm making this like 300 so quickly because if I got these small losses I will recover with them just because of the single trade. I will show you how, which strategy. So you have to wait here and watch it until I will not recover this 300 or this previous 300, like total 600. We can make the another trade here on the. So guys, I make like 3 trades. First is already lost. Now we have to wait for the 2 trades. And if I got these 2 losses, then I will make a huge trade. You have to watch carefully how much I will invest here, guys. Guys, you can write in the comment chat what do you think. Well, this one is looks like that it is going to be profit, but this 55 seconds remaining, it's completely upward after a movement because here a downward hammer strike Japanese candlestick is formed. So when you will see like a gradually decreasing Japanese candlesticks are moving and suddenly a hammer structure, as you can see here on the bottom level, you can see, then just make up trade. If I make this up trade, it will move, of course it will move to the upside. So let me increase the amount 1000 and I'm going to make one up trade. Guys, from the last 2 days I make like approximately 7000 dirham in the profitable amount. On the yesterday I make like 4000 approx and 3000 or 4000, I didn't remember actually, but yes, approx 4000 yesterday, and before one day I make like 5000 approx. So guys, the best thing is that these both trades can recover the previous 2 losses easily. Easily they can recover the previous 2 losses. And the amount is I use here 1000 dirham, as you can see. I invested 1000 dirham. I am getting the profit of the 903 right now. But it can suddenly change to the downward, as you can see. It can move to the downside or it can again just move in the upward. Well, guys, here this is already profitable 300. So this 300 recovered this 300. Only 300 we are in the loss. But if I go the profit of this 910, then you can remove from the 900 minus 300. 600 I will be like profitable amount of the two trades which I invest of the 300. सिंपल सी बात है दोस्तों, हिंदी में समझाते हैं। पहली जो 300 का जो डिपॉजिट जो इन्वेस्ट किया था वो लॉस गया, कोई बात नहीं, नो फिकर, नो टेंशन। उसके बाद फिर 300 का किया लॉस, कोई इश्यू नहीं, दो बार ही तो लॉस हुआ। फिर जो थर्ड ट्रेड किया था 300 का, उससे प्रॉफिट हुआ। तो ये जो तीसरा वाला जो प्रॉफिट था इसने रिकवर किया इस पिछले वाले को, ठीक है, 10-20 से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। अब बचे सिर्फ 300, जो 300 लॉस में वो बचे, और वो कंप्लीटली यू कैन सी हियर इट इज ऑलरेडी मूविंग टू प्रॉफिटेबल हियर नाउ। Two. So guys, the first two trades are profitable. As you can see, the graph is going pretty cool. Before this, first two trades was loss, but already they recovered here. You can see the big profit of the 910. What do you think now? I have to come back again on the 300 because already we are in the profit of the 6000, guys, right? So we can make again here a profit of the 300. Okay, I think 400 is more better. Well, here a uptrend, a spinner Japanese candlestick form in the upward direction, so it can turn back again to the upside. These are some like basic steps. If you will make like continuous trades, then you will understand easily. Well, I will decide to stay here because graph is going. Look here, guys. This is very closer to the trend line. Well, guys, as I told you, when you will see a spinner Japanese candlestick, like this is the spinner because the body part is forming between the wicks of the Japanese candlestick. You will see this spinner Japanese candlestick after a gradual increase in the upward, then it will try for 1-2 minutes in the upward direction. As you can see, it is still moving to the upside. But now the time is came like it can move any time to the downside. So we have to wait. Oh wow, so a downward Japanese candlestick is forming. I'm going to take a risk. One second. If this is completely profitable, this 364 profit I will get, then I will introduce a new Japanese candlestick like where you have to make to get this type of profit. Oh well, it is still like confusable here right now, as it's in the last of the 5 seconds it changed the direction, otherwise it was completely moving to the downside. We have to wait here now, guys. And the another thing is that, guys, if you are really want to make the money, then you have to wait for the last of the 10 minutes because I will give some information, some basic and like useful information. Well, I think I have to introduce about this strategy. As you can see here, it's completely profitable, and right now 50 seconds remaining. Oh, I can see one comment, TMM classic with the red purple heart. Oh, pink heart, sorry. So guys, you can see, as I told you, completely profitable, as I told you in the beginning. When you will see on the top level a downward Japanese candlestick is forming like a hammer structure, inverted hammer, then just make for 2-3 minutes a downward trade. And you can see 1 minute was a little bit upward, but after that in the second minute it came to the downside, and you can see here a balle balle profit. So now we already in the profitable amount of the like 900. Oh, approx I can say like 1000 drum in the profitable amount. So guys, the best thing is that um, now like without any tension, without any worrying about any losses, I can make here like 3-4 times trade, and they will not going to be lost. They are also going to be profit. Let's start. Right now, Asia Composite Index is pretty well moving. So again we make here, oh well, it's increasing right now, but it's okay. If I got this loss, as I told you, there will be no effect on the previous profits, because even after losing this 400, we are in the profitable of the 600 drum. Okay, or if this is a profitable trade, then it will increase the profit amount from 1000 to 1320 or 1364, like 1364 dirham it will increase. So guys, you can write also comment chat if you are also earning with me, or you can share the link with your friends, they can also join it, because this is live stream. And the best thing, what do you think, what is the best thing to join the live stream? Because this is a live platform, here you can ask your all questions. First of all, I am doing this live stream for the all in trade, because this is really a very very perfect trading platform without any risk. Well, risk is always everywhere, but it depends on the choice, like how much you invest here. But it is like trustable and pure and clean, transparent. No problems in the transaction time, withdrawal money, deposition. Very simple. Just search the all in trade, go there, register, by simple easy by your numbers or anyone, and you will be balle balle. So guys, you can see here this is going to be the third profitable trade. Oh, sorry, fourth profitable trade now. Yes, continuous 364, 364, 910, 279. Before this, just only two losses of the 300. So today is already a very big perfect profits. Well, this is also like a near. You can see a bullish candlestick is forming right now after the bearish Japanese candlestick, which was moving to the downside, and this has the chances according to the momentum lines to the downward, but still it's moving a little bit in the upward direction. Well, guys, look here. It is on the bottom line and one and profit. Yes, did you see? Very, very, very closer to the trade line, but we got the profit because of the some statics and strategy. You can see five profitable trades continuous: 364, 364, 364, 910, 279. And before this, just only 200. Oh, sorry, two losses just of the 300. So already we are in the huge amount as you can see here. So guys, hurry up and join the live stream quickly. So guys, anyone want to say anything regarding this? Perfect profits are going to be here now. Already 2000 profitable amount. I will count in the end of this, like how much the loss and how much is the profit. Now maybe I can take a break for the 4 5 minutes. Already a huge profits are going to be here. Continuous, incredible profitable amounts. And 25 seconds remaining of this Japanese candlestick. Guys, instead of looking just live stream, or maybe you are just waiting like how much he will get the profit, how much he will got the losses. So don't waste your time. You can also make the trade with me right now, but you have to invest a small amount, because by chance if you got the losses, then you will not feel like guilty. You will able to make many several trades. That's why just invest a small amount of the deposit here. Like I invested here 4000, oh sorry, 400 dirham right now. You can invest like 40 dirham, so it's pretty good. Well, guys, again, uh, well, here a little bit chances that it can turn back again to the upside, because a previous Japanese candlestick was formed in the upward hammer Japanese candlestick. Let's wait for a moment, then we will make the another trade. So, guys, wait. TMM Classic 1 minute late, bro. There is nothing late. TMM Classic, if you are still here on the live stream, then you can check the continuous 5 profitable trades. Let me open the full history. So I started to make the trade from here, and you can see the last two were in the starting when I make it was loss, but after that continuous 5 profitable trades in which here you can see 910. This is like two times of this another profits. So we got actually like 300, 300, 600, and you can count like 64, 64, 700 approx. Then again 300, 1000, then this 900, 2000, this like approx 2200, or I can say like 2300. From the 2300, like 2300, you can remove, you can minus 600. Even after that, how much you will get? 1700 is still in the profitable amount, which is dirham. Dirham 1700 is profitable just in like 30 minutes. So guys, it's really very fantastic and cool. I hope we will make another further trades here, because everyone want to make the more money, more. But this is not going properly. We can check the another assessed. Hopefully the another is. Oh wow! See guys, this is the crypto composite index, which is from the last like approx 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 minutes. It was moving gradually in the upward direction. But here the bad thing is that the momentum lines, which is like give the direction of this Japanese candlestick, they are moving to the downside, but even after that it's moving to the upward. But here now it can come back again to the downside, because they are completely downside movement here now. We can skip this composite index and move further to the Europe composite index, which is forming in the downward, as you can see here. So guys, Europe composite index is also pretty well moving, but still have like irregular chances to make here. Let's check the another composite index. Gold one is also trying to move downside right now, but irregular. Like see, there is no regulation formation, just going like up, down, maybe. So let's do one thing. We can try make just down trade, and I already make it, and let's wait for the end of the result of the 1 minute and 20, oh sorry, 50 seconds. Well guys, this is also going to be profitable, as you can see here. Only 1 minute 15 seconds remaining. If it doesn't go back in the upward, then it will give the another profit amount. After 30 seconds, a new Japanese candlestick will form, and after 1 minute our trade will become the profit, because as you can see on the screen, the red Japanese candlestick, bearish candlestick is forming to the downside against not in favor of our trade line, because I make the trade in the downward direction according to the check the previous history. As you can see, I show you here continuous upgrade, okay, in the upward direction, then down, okay, here a heuristic form in the downside. If we compare from here top level, then it gradually increases. Okay, then it came here. See guys, the pattern in in the bottom line a hammer candlestick is formed, then it move upward. In the top side a inverted hammer structure is formed, then it move downside. Then for a moment it move upward, and now it's moving downside and one, and this is the sixth profitable trade in front of all of you guys. Just imagine if I make here thousand, then it will gives me the profit of the 6,000 guys. It's incredible. Yes, of course it's incredible. In just of the 35 minutes we got like 2,000 approx profitable amount. Okay, so I'm waiting for the another perfect time of the Japanese candlestick until I can use a little bit more mobile phone. So just for interesting guys. So guys, now the time is came to make the another trade, but I will make it in the upward direction. Okay. There is still chances to make it again to the downside according to the history, but here a inverted Japanese candlestick is formed, and I decide when I see the Japanese candlestick is in the formation of the hammer structure, top bottom, only two directions. Now it's on the downside, so now chances are increased to move in the upward, but here now it's not possible. This is right now not going to be upper side, because already when the you can see the graph is moving a little bit upward, then it will just try to move in the downward direction. And here only 5 seconds remaining now. I make the up trade, right? 55 seconds remaining and it's trying to move in the upward direction. Let's wait. In the end, it will move upward or not. So after getting 6 continuous profitable trades, this will become the third loss. But even after this small loss, I am in the huge profit. We will count in the end. Well, guys, it is very near to the trade line, but in the final seconds, it changed. 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. See guys, it came in the you did you see? It was exactly came near to the trade line, but in the end of the 1 second it changed completely. It's okay. So after getting a huge profits continuous, you can see continuous like 2000 profitable amount, we just got the third loss from the 9, oh sorry, 2 3, yes, 6 profit, 3 loss, and profits are huge. So now let's count the another profitable amount here. This was the gold. Let's focus on the Asia Composite Index. It's pretty well moving in the irregular direction. Let's make it down, oh sorry, upward trend. Let me increase the amount, guys. 1000 dirham I'm going to make here, so it will recover this both losses. Oh, well, it already came in the profit, so there is no need to invest here because it's going to be profit, and this profit will recover this loss. So those who are watching here, you can ask anything on the comment chat. Just write. Just write in the comment chat, guys. It's completely insane and moving to the profitable direction after the 1 minute 20 seconds. Now there is no need to invest the 1000. I can again invest the small amount of the 300 or 400 dirham. Well, guys, it is profitable amount. 7 profits, 3 losses. Double times is the profitable. I think I will make a huge profit before finishing this live stream. See, did you listen the voice? That's like this. So guys, it's time to say goodbye after 10 minutes because already the trade is going pretty well. Every loss is already recovered and double times profit we got in front of all of you. Well, guys, I will be glad if I make the 1000 dirham in the upward direction in front of all of you. You can see here. It gradually increased in the upward. Before this, it was moving like normally here. So a sudden fall up came in the upward direction, and now like 10 minutes I have to do stream. So before finishing the live stream, Well, guys, a inverted hammer, you can see here inverted hammer form in the upper side. So here the chances increase, like it can move to the downside again. But for how much time, for how much seconds, we don't know. It can be moved to the downside for just 1 minute, then 2 minutes. So it is a little bit risky, but we can make one trade in the perfect time. Let's focus on the another composite indexes. So guys, let's wait the last trade. It can be moved type profit or loss, doesn't care. 1000 I invested here. Because if I got this loss even after losing this amount, I am still profit of the 1000 dirham. Guys, what do you think? This is going to be loss or profit? Because it's very closer to the trade line and moving in the upward, coming to the downside, but 1 minute is perfectly finished. Now we have to wait just for the 50 seconds. Guys, only 20 seconds remaining and this is the going to be huge profit. Well, see, did you see? Did you notice everything? Completely profitable, but in the end of the last some seconds it changed the direction. In the 7 seconds it completely changed the direction and moving to the upside, right? 2, 1, whoo, hooray! So guys, 8 profitable trades with the huge amounts. For a moment I was also thinking like it will not come back, but according to the history it was completely insane moving to the downside. So I think for today these are enough. We can just talk some little bit gossips. What do you think, guys? So guys, you can make a down trade, and before going to be here, I will invest one last trade, a small, okay? 400 I'm going to invest here in the downward direction. So guys, the last trade, it can move, profit, loss, anything, just last trade. It looks pretty cool when you will see just only green, 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 green. It means like profit, 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 profit without any losses. It's really very looking fantastic, cool, incredible looking. And you can see this is also just only 1 minute 30 seconds remaining, and here it came back again to the profit. Yes. Only 1 minute 10 seconds remaining. It can move to the upside or downside. Let's wait for the some seconds. 30 seconds remaining. Guys, what do you think? In the last 15 seconds it will come back to the downside or upside? Five. So it changed the direction after, like, if we make a continuous trades on the crypto composite index. This is the perfect composite index, or perfect, we can say the assessed, which was continuously moving to the downside from the last 4, 6, 8, 10. Like from the last 11 minutes, it was completely moving just downward. And here, recently, it changed the direction in the upward. Well, it's okay. You can see the profits of the today. The losses, let's count the first losses. 300 plus 300, 600 plus 400, 1000 dirham plus 400. 1400 dirham I got losses today. Okay. Now let's count the profit. 930, 364, like just count 1000, and this one we can say like 300. Okay. 1000, 1300 plus this 372. So 9, yes, 1000 plus 1300, 1300 plus 400, 1700, 1700 plus 300, 600, 900, and total like 1000. So 1700 plus 1000, 2700 plus 900, 3600 plus 279, like approx 300. So total overall we can say like 4000 dirham was the profitable amount today, in which you can now remove from the 4000, you can remove the 1400. So total overall like 2600 is the profitable amount of the today live stream. So guys, see you soon again on the next live stream. It was really fantastic and cool live stream for today, and our time is going to finish now. I will suggest only one thing for everyone, those who are watching here now on the live stream, like never invest too much amount. Well guys, here now it was flow like this. Now it is going to be in the upward direction. Let's see the last trade, which was loss 400. Now it can recover this one because it was gradually moving to the downside. So hopefully it can gradually increase in the upward direction. So I was just saying, whenever you are making the trade, never be panic, and you have to invest very small amount, because if you lose your money, even after that you have the chances to get the profitable amounts. You can make the trade several times. That's why it's better to make a small amount and make several times. Like you have 1000 INR, 1000 dirham, 1000 ruble, any currency. If you have 1000 amount, just suppose, if you will invest 1000 in just one single trade, if you lose, then you are not eligible to make the another further trades. That's why invest of the small amount. Like if you will invest just only 30, 40, 50 from the 1000, then you are eligible like 20, 15 times to make the trades, and hopefully you will get the profits in 15, 20 times. And first priority, if you are getting the losses, then your first priority should be to recover the loss. See, in the starting time I got 2 continuous loss here, these, but after that I recovered this. My first priority was to recover this amount.